3D modeling for me is just the idea of being able to take something that does not exist and then bringing it into existence, which is wonderful. At TRU especially, we benefit quite a bit. We make a lot of adaptive tools here that make it possible for people to do their jobs easier and be more fulfilled by it. Before coming to TRU, I had never done any 3D modeling at all, but I had done nails for 22 years. The relationship between the two is that you are taking an idea and then making it become a reality. In the process, you have to make sure that that idea is done properly in order for the outcome to be successful. I really am hoping that it will enable me to have the independence that everyone wants in their lives as far as a job, employment, being able to take care of oneself. 3D modeling is such an expansive career that it can take you almost anywhere. It's almost in every industry in some form or fashion. So it's pretty, I guess the word would be robust as far as what your opportunities are. So I'm looking forward to seeing where that takes me.